And hey guys, welcome back to Dice Plays Minecraft. So Kingscraft has a new update, the Bedwars update, and we're gonna play Bedwars, but I have no idea how to play Bedwars. Okay, all I know is you have a map, this map. The map generates some ores, you have a bed which you have to defend, and of course you have to kill players with their beds. Okay, ooh, starting. Okay, let's go. Iron. Does this place generate gold or something? I mean diamonds. Ooh, real. I guess not. Alright, so let's go defend our bed. Hey, get out of here. Oh, what is that? I can make out blue. Oh, this is diamond, I think. So that's where I need to go. Okay, let's go there. What else can I buy? Melee. 7 gold for an iron sword. Are there axes? Oh, axe. 10 iron for a stone. Alright, let's get more. Hey. 3 gold. Alright, I guess this is good. It's an iron axe. Never mind, we have a diamond axe, which is gonna be good. Alright, let's go get that diamond. Yes, there you go. Alright, so we're here now. Hey, look, diamonds. More. Alright, let's go back. Let's see what we can buy now. Are there bows here? I'm pretty confident with bows. Hey, 24 gold for the one with power. I'm just gonna wait. Alright, armor, I need more. Okay, this is helpful. 6 emerald? Where am I gonna get emerald? What this? Reinforced armor, swords. I'm gonna go get that. Okay. We're gonna need more wool to travel. Hey. Hello, emerald. Ow. Are there more? Where else can I get? There's another building. Where are they? Oh, look, red has a wool fortress. Blue also has a wool fortress. I'm gonna go upgrade my stuff. Instead of wool only, I'm gonna put endstone or something. Lol. Let's go back. Right, let's protect this place with this and that. Why do I... Hey! Come back here. Why do I have you in my inventory? That's weird. 1, 2. Make sure to get all sides of your bed. The middle, the front, the back, the side, everything. Die. Oh, hey! What are you trying to do? What? Hello? Mister? Excuse me? Excuse me, this is my... I don't know what you're trying to do. I don't know what hacks you are on, but... You know what? Whatever. I'm just gonna get myself some diamond armor. 6 emerald. Not cool. What else do I have? What else can I get? Look, TNT. Seems helpful. Let's go equip that in the 9th. Oi. Hey, rude. Yeesh. Why did that happen? I can't hit him. He can't hit me. That's so weird. Is this a bug? Is he hacking? Am I playing with a hacker? I don't like hackers. Okay, let's go get more stuff. And let's destroy his bed. He's blue. I'm coming for your bed, Blue. He's leaving his bed unattended. And this is what he's gonna get. Come on, Green. Stall him. You can do it. I believe in you. Just don't let him break your bed. We're not the same color, but we're on the same team. Does that make sense? No, it doesn't. You're mine. Yeet. I just destroyed a bed. I'm proud of myself. Green bed was destroyed, but you're not faked up. Red. It says here, blue says you can't hit green also. Let's try red. Let's try red. What? Well, that's weird. Alright. Where is red? I don't have the things. Ugh. I was gonna fall. Was gonna fall. Not. Nah, I'm not gonna fall. Come on, I'm perfectly not clumsy. Okay. Mr. Red is over there. And he made a way to go to Blue. Hello, Blue. He's a nice guy. Even though he destroyed my bed. I'm just gonna go watch Blue kill Red. Ooh, don't. Hey, 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 hey. We're going. Oh, what the heck? I'm just gonna stay here. No, 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 no. I don't trust you. I don't. Okay. I'm still gonna. You know, I still don't trust you. Okay. Alright. I don't know what hacks you are on, but yes. Do I have a bow? No. I'm gonna go buy one. Give me a sec. Told you he's a nice guy, but I still don't trust him. Okay, we have enough. I don't have enough wool. I need wool. Where is he? Where is he? Where is Red? Hello? Right in there. Right where? Can't see him. Wait me. Alright. I'm just gonna... Found him. Oh, I need my mouse. Ah, missed. How am I missing? I hate this. He's here. Come on, we gotta corner him. We gotta corner him, man. We're a team, remember? Alright, I'm gonna go big brain. And I'm gonna go around. Hope he doesn't see me, because if he sees me, and then I'm dead. Hello? Are you there? Barrier blocks. Helpful. Yes, I'm here. Alright. Am I gonna charge? No, I'm just gonna block his way. Alright, I can see him. But can he see me? Oh! Oh, come on. That was close. I already hit him. I hit him again. I hit him one more time. I'm gonna hide. It is not advisable to be out in the open. I'm running out of ammo. Ooh. Oh, what is that? Ah, crap. Dang it. I'm out of ammo. I'm gonna run. 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 Dashi, run, run, run. No, just up, so. My house, of course. This is gonna take a long time. Yeesh. Okay. Well then. Your fake Da was killed by Jacob. Wait, so you're saying Red killed him? No, that's just sad. I'm gonna get myself some more stuff. What happened, Blue? I thought you were good. I'm just gonna get more. What was that? Right. The protection. It's a trap. It's a trap. The next enemy to enter my base will die. Such a great trap. A really great one. Punch 1. Wonder what that does. I don't need swords, but I might as well get one. 4 emeralds for one. That's too much. Oh, come on. Alright. We're gonna go for red. Yeah. Hello. Ah! I'm out of ammo. That's why I bought some for. Oh my goodness! How can I forget? Run, 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 run! He is sniping me, but he has no chance because I am a really great runner. Hello, I need. Okay. I can see him. I can see the arrows flying. Ooh! That's good. Stop running. Is he in a gap? Is he in a golden apple? You know, I'm not taking any chances. I guess I am. I win. Wait, no, he still has his bed. No! Oh, I thought the bed was destroyed. Ah! Dang it. It's gonna take me a while. He has a clay fortress, right? Oh, no. So I'm just gonna snipe him from here. I am gonna go on a detour. This game is gonna take a long while. No! Oh my goodness. That was so risky. That was so scary. Alright. I need more ammo. It is imperative that I don't have an end pearl. Water bucket for what? Bridge egg. This egg will create a bridge on its trail after being thrown. Instantly ignites. I didn't read that actually. Alright, we're gonna use this. I don't know what it does, but we're gonna use that. And of course, what's a PvP without some golden apples? Am I right? So we're gonna go eat one. He doesn't know. He doesn't know. All right, hit and run. That was a hit and run. That was a hit and run. Can't believe I pulled that off. I can see you, you know. That was close. Oh, don't fall off now. I still have 41. All right. Yeah! Woo! I won! Yeah! I won! I won! Victory! And that's what you get for messing with dice. I can't believe I won my first game of Bedwars. I'm so happy. And dang, that was a good game. Where is he? Where is Jacob? Jacob, are you here? Jacob is not here. Did Jacob leave? Oh, come on, he left the game. Well, that was a good game, everyone, and thank you everybody so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to know if I posted a new video. And thanks for watching. Dice out.